Hi, Anna. It is nice to see you again. How are you today?
Hi, Mark. I am doing well, thank you. I feel relaxed and happy. How about you?
I am good too. I had a quiet morning. I made some tea and listened to a podcast about learning English.
Oh, that sounds nice. I also like listening to English podcasts. They help me improve my listening skills.
Yes, listening practice is very useful. So, what are you doing these days? Still studying English?
Yes, I am still learning English, but now I am using something new. I am learning English with AI.
Really? That sounds interesting. Tell me more. How do you learn English with AI?
Well, I use an app with artificial intelligence. The AI talks to me like a real person. I can practice speaking, listening, and reading.
Wow, that is amazing. So, the AI is like a teacher?
Yes, it is like a friendly online teacher, but it is always available. I can practice anytime I want, in the morning, afternoon, or even late at night.
That sounds very convenient. Before, students needed to go to a school or class. Now they can learn from home.
Exactly. I just sit on my sofa, open my phone, and start learning. It feels easy and comfortable.
So, what do you like most about learning with AI?
I like that the AI is very patient. When I make a mistake, it does not get angry. It simply corrects me. I can try again and again.
That is great. Many people feel shy when they speak English. They worry about making mistakes.
Yes, but with AI, I feel safe. I am not afraid. I can practice speaking slowly and clearly.
How often do you practice?
I try to practice every day. Sometimes I practice for 20 minutes, sometimes for 1 hour.
Wow, that is a good routine.
Yes, I think daily practice helps a lot. Step by step, I learn new words and phrases.
Do you also practice conversation?
Yes, the AI asks me questions. For example, it asks, "How was your day?" or "What do you like to eat?" I answer the questions and it helps me when I say something wrong.
So it is like a real conversation.
Yes, and sometimes the AI tells me stories or short dialogues. Then I repeat the sentences to improve my pronunciation.
That sounds very helpful. AI can be like a study partner.
Yes, like a study buddy.
Do you feel more confident now when you speak English?
Yes, I do. Before, I was nervous. I thought, my English is bad. People will not understand me. But now I feel better. I think I can do it. I am learning.
That is wonderful. Confidence is very important in language learning.
Yes, the AI always gives me feedback. Sometimes it says, "Good job," or "Well done." It makes me feel happy and proud.
Positive feedback helps people stay motivated.
Yes, that is true.
Do you think AI is better than a real teacher?
I think both are good. A real teacher can help with culture and real-life communication, but AI is great for daily practice.
Yes, I agree. AI is a powerful tool. Exactly. It is a tool to support learning. Some people worry that AI might replace teachers.
I don't think so. Teachers are important. AI and teachers can work together.
That is a good way to think about it. So, what is your goal in learning English?
I want to speak English fluently one day. I also want to watch movies in English without subtitles.
Nice goal.
And I want to travel abroad, maybe to Canada or the United States. I want to order food, book hotels, and talk to people in English.
AI will help you reach your goals.
Yes, it is like my learning partner.
What is difficult about learning with AI?
Sometimes it is hard to stay focused. When I am tired, I want to stop.
Yes, that happens.
But I try to build a habit. I say to myself, just 10 minutes, and then I start learning.
Good strategy.
Also, sometimes I do not understand a word, but the AI explains it in simple English.
That is very helpful. Do you think AI will be more popular in the future?
Yes, I think so. Many people already use AI to study languages, write emails, or get information.
AI is becoming part of everyday life.
Yes, but we must use it carefully and responsibly.
Right. Technology is powerful, but people must use it wisely. What advice do you have for English learners?
I think learners should not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, mistakes help us grow.
Also, practice a little every day. Even short practice helps.
Good advice.
And try to enjoy learning. Have fun. Listen to podcasts, watch videos, read simple stories.
Learning should be enjoyable, not stressful.
Exactly.
Thank you, Anna. I learned a lot today about learning English with AI.
You are welcome, Mark. I am happy to share my experience.
I hope our listeners also feel inspired. Great. Now let's check some useful phrases in this episode.
1. Artificial intelligence. This means computers that can talk, help, and learn from you.
Example: I use AI to practice English. It feels like I am talking to a real person.
2. Study buddy. This means someone who learns together with you.
Example: my AI app is like my study buddy. We practice English together.
Speak fluently. This means speak without stopping too much.
Example: one day I want to speak English fluently.
Stay motivated. This means continue learning and do not give up.
Example: positive results help me stay motivated.
5. Reach your goals. This means succeed in your plan.
Example: with daily practice, you can reach your goals in English.
Stay focused. This means don't get distracted.
Example: when I study, I try to stay focused on English.
Yes, dear listeners, keep learning, stay calm, and enjoy your English journey.
See you next time.
Goodbye.